Welcome to Automania, your go-to destination for all things automotive, where we bring you the latest reviews, detailed specs, and hands-on insights on every new release. If you love vehicles as much as we do, especially unique and efficient machines on wheels, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the upcoming Yamaha three-wheeler Rickshaw 2026, a model that's already generating a lot of buzz in the auto market. From its practical design to modern-day features, this rickshaw is set to redefine last-mile connectivity and urban mobility. The Yamaha three-wheeler Rickshaw 2026 is Yamaha's bold entry into the expanding electric and utility vehicle segment. It combines fuel efficiency, environmental responsibility, and innovative engineering into one compact package. Yamaha, known for its performance-driven two-wheelers, has approached this new three-wheeler with a fresh perspective. The design is more futuristic than what we've seen before in this category. It sports a sleek body line, refined finishes, and better aerodynamics, which not only improve its looks but also enhance its efficiency on the road. Under the hood, this rickshaw comes powered by a newly developed engine or electric powertrain, depending on the variant. Reports suggest Yamaha might offer both petrol and electric options to cater to a broader audience. The petrol version is likely to feature a 150cc engine tuned for low-end torque and fuel economy, ideal for city commutes and short-haul transport. On the electric side, users can expect a range of around 100 to 120 kilometers per charge, which should be more than enough for daily urban operations. Charging time, expected to be around 4 to 5 hours with a standard charger, may reduce significantly with fast charging support, though that remains to be officially confirmed. Yamaha has also focused on making this rickshaw safer and more comfortable for both drivers and passengers. The seating has been reworked with ergonomic cushioning and better support. There is increased legroom and improved suspension, which means fewer bumps felt over rough roads. The rickshaw comes with a digital display for speed, battery level, and other important metrics, along with smartphone connectivity features in higher trims. A USB charging port, LED lights, and reverse gear assist are all thoughtful additions that enhance the driving experience. One of the standout features is the improved chassis design, which not only provides more stability but also reduces weight, thereby increasing mileage and performance. The braking system has been enhanced with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes as standard, and it includes a regenerative braking system in the electric variant to optimize battery usage. The turning radius is kept tight, making it ideal for narrow streets and congested traffic zones. Yamaha is also likely to offer several customization options to suit commercial users, like cargo variants, passenger versions, and possibly delivery-focused models with extended storage capacity. The pricing is expected to stay competitive, positioning it well against current market leaders while offering better features and a more refined driving experience. So, if you're someone looking for a next-generation rickshaw for business or personal use, the Yamaha three-wheeler 2026 deserves your attention. It's smart, efficient, and built with a level of detail that shows Yamaha's commitment to changing the landscape of urban transport. Thanks for watching Automania on CarCrest. If you found this video helpful and want more reviews, insights, and auto content just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.